Good morning, winners. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today we are heading out on the beautiful Detroit River. It is nice and early. You can hear the birds chirping. Ready to do some fishing today. The barometric pressure today is at 105. That's a pretty good pressure for fishing. The water clarity is beautiful still. It's been a blessing to have such clean water. Today what I'm going to be using is I'm starting off with a 3/4 ounce Firetiger jig with a baby walleye bucking shiner. So hopefully that's the ticket today. First cast. First cast of the day. Yeah, I'll come over here. Come over here. Yeah. Pickerel. Okay. First one of the day. First cast of the day out here. Got a pretty decently strong southwest wind going, but water is clean. Look at this. Caught a jig. Caught a jig. It's brand new too, and it's got a stinger. Nice. I'll add that to my collection. Freaking jig. Gonna switch baits. This one's all chewed up. Get a freshie. Same color. There's one. Whoa. Yeah, it's a snag. No. There's definitely something wrong in there. T, send it. There's one, right? Yeah, there's one. Yep. Did you even feel him hit? Oh yeah, good one. Yes, thank you. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. There's the second fish of the day, a beautiful Detroit River walleye. Check her out. Clean, clean fish. Oh, come on. Hit twice. Oh, pulled down my pants. There's one. Wow. Nice one, yeah. Wow. He hit it hard, man. He hit it hard. Look at him fighting in that clean water. Thank you, brother. Another one for me. This fish pounded it. I felt that. You can see how far down that mouth that jig is. Third eye of the day. This one's a beauty. They're getting bigger. There we go. Gotta love that beautiful pale color our fish have in this Detroit River. Some walleyes are a lot darker, a lot greener, maybe up north. Up north they're more gold, more brown.
You gotta put that in your YouTube.
I will. Holy cow. Yo guys, have you guys ever seen a shad this big? Please tell me in the comments, because I haven't. That's the biggest shad I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Holy cow. You guys gonna keep this?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Fry it? Yeah,
Deep
nice.
fried, of course.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh man, missed it. Oh, again. Oh yeah, pulled my pants down again. Second time today. There's one. It's fighting crazy. This is fighting crazy. Oh, silver bass. Yep. Thank you.
Behind you.
Nobody, go ahead.
What?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Second prize, got a silver bass.
Silver ass.
Silver ass.
Oh yeah.
We call these Silverado around here. There we go, baby. Look at that. It's beaming, it's like a chrome. Frankie! Alright guys, we're hooked up. Feels like a nice walleye. You like that hook set, T?
Oh yeah.
T, there's no fishing here, bro.
There isn't.
Fishing's the worst.
Yeah, not in my vicinity.
Oh, he's trying to steal your fish. You see that? Yeah, he tried to swipe it. He tried to swipe your fish. Yeah. Thank you, Frank. It's got a wart right in the middle of it, and it's got a little mustache. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got like a little black mustache. But anyways, there we go. Beautiful gold eye right there, a little Goldilocks. All right, let's get back to fishing. They're probably good. They're
Yes,
This is big.
that's a fish.
Oh my god.
It kind of looks cheaper.
Oh, damn.
It's something big.
You're gonna be my 28.
I don't know.
Yeah.
That's
Did
something big.
did that show up for you?
Oh yeah.
It did?
Yeah.
Well then why is it not on for me?
I don't know.
It doesn't show on my thing. Or did somebody contest it? Get it taken off. Paid that $100.
Who won that thing yet?
Oh, it's one more day.
Oh.
This is the last day.
Ah. Is it first place you, Brandon?
Huh?
Are you in first place?
Supposedly, it's not popping up. You can see it.
Oh.
Can you see it right now?
Oh, you actually, I don't know. I didn't even know. I thought you were joking.
Yeah.
Dude, this is a big fish. Guys, we have a big fish on right now. It's not fighting like one though.
Sit with me!
Guys, this is a really nice fish right now.
I want to see this. Sit with.
Please don't come on. This is a big fish. This is a big fish. Oh my god.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, it's a big wally.
It's a big Walter.
Oh my god. Oh my god, whoa!
I got it.
Holy. This is huge.
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh my gosh.
In the boat?
Oh no, it's under the chin.
Ah.
That's why I felt massive. Still a nice fish. Check out this chungus. This is the biggest one of the day so far. Nice, big fish, big shoulders. See those fins popping out. Just beautiful, just gorgeous.
Cause, baby?
Thank you for supporting, brother. Looking like a beauty. Looking like a beauty
Always.
in that sweater.
In the Slayhem sweater.
In the
I
Slayhem
support, I
sweater?
support, I support.
Bro, what do you guys think about that?
It's a puppy.
Nothing about 4 pounds or so.
It's a puppy.
I like that blue shell. I know.
Second dose.
Awesome, eh? The sucker was like, the lips are going like this.
I go to kiss it and
There's one. Thank you. Fish on. Holy cow, this is huge. It's got shoulders. It's got the loins. No. You want it? Okay. Sinwitty. This is big. Whatever it is. Big fish. Boy, that's a big walleye. It's gotta be. Oh my god. Beautiful. Woohoo! Beautiful, beautiful fish. Nice, thick, quality. Nice guy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Guys, we're here at Scott's Kitchen. What are you cooking, Scott?
We got some
Pop that open, let's see.
red and white roasted potatoes with
Red and white potatoes.
some roasted red pepper and onion spice.
Oh man, the whole nine. Let's see.
Oh yeah, I'll show you the grill. They're in a tinfoil tent.
Oh man, that's gonna come out really good for you guys.
And then for the
What do we got
protein
here?
side of it, we got some nice rib eyes.
Hold on a sec. Are those marinated, bro?
No, they're not. They're fresh, and I just spiced them up. A little dry rub.
Okay, but the seasoning is on point. You can just see how good he really seasoned that.
the secret sauce.
The secret sauce. The secret sauce.
Oh, nice, eh? Nice.
Thank you. Fish on.
Oh, you got him? You got him? Oh, it's a silver, eh?
Something crazy. It's all erratic.
I feel it eradicating.
Yeah.
I can feel it fighting. Turn on camera. Turn on camera.
Turn on camera.
It might be a small walleye.
No, it's not. It's coming in really easy.
It's a stick roll.
It's a brook trout.
Yeah, all of them.
A little dink.
Fish fry.
Give this to Grandma.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, bro.
Oh,
God
look at
bless.
this.
Bless you, bro.
Sin Windy.
Oh, Sinwin Doors. So, guys, Sinwin Doors gave me this walleye here. I appreciate everything from him. Yeah, Sinwitty. If you guys never subscribe to him or nothing like that, make sure you go on the Sinwitty Doors. Hi, Coco.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap at the end of today's episode. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys. Getting a bit windier now. Wind's starting to pick up. So I'm going to pack up, head home. Today was a very successful day. We managed to catch a lot of nice walleyes. The water is very clean out here. The pressure system was just right at 105. Honestly, so blessed to have this fishery in my grasp. It's just one of the best walleye fisheries, and I got it right in my backyard. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Would really appreciate that. It would help the channel grow. You guys have a beautiful day and an even better night. Peace out.